living here till...
Oh, you live here? Aaron's not leaving. He cannot leave until we have waves.
Where you living?
Yeah.
That's your home. That's it.
Hey, there's no level to where we won't go to. If I have to come and live here, Aaron told me I can't come back up. We're all looking at
So we're just going to wander around, Warwick, but... So here we are in July. In a couple of weeks we'll have all of that liner complete. We'll have the concrete done in the middle. We'll have the tower up or going up, and then all of those other pieces will be on site. And once that tower's up, the welding goes on, and it just bang. Hockey in a barrel. That's the focus on site, mate.
There we go. It's happening, guys.
Hockey in a barrel.
It's happening.
Of the tower.
Yeah.
So the tower will go on top of that. So that big formwork will sit around that bit. It'll be filled up with concrete all around that.
Yep.
And then they'll sit that big cylinder at the front on top.
Yep.
And there'll be the steel tower coming up around it.
Yep.
And then we start to build those pedals and everything else around the base of that. This is what we call the hydraulic cylinder, which is the central part of the mechanism.
Central part.
Basically. So with the base you saw down there, this will go on top of it, everything will come around, it'll get strapped in, and the piston will go down into this. And so it'll be where the pressure shrouds the piston, and it'll drive the whole mechanism out of the water. It's not the world's biggest, but it's certainly one of the biggest hydraulic cylinders
In the world.
Yeah, it may be the biggest. We'd have to check.
Be,
yeah, we might break a record.
We'll have to get the World Guinness Book there.
That's it, yeah. We're biggest waves, biggest cylinder, So it is, look, it's absolute beauty, and it's the type of thing that, all going well, we're happy with this, we could get it shipped all over the world.
All over the world.
Yeah.
And use the same composite.
Same deal, yeah.
We're going to press that button and see how big we can do it.
Oh yeah.
And I'm going to be
without blowing
I'm going to be the guinea pig going over the falls.
That's
and
right.
I go, yep, that was a big one. Let me just take two.
That's right.
Take
a
three. Yep. One more chance. Just give me one more go.
That's right.
I'll get it next time, I promise you.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's all right. I've got all day.
We'll need a few backup boards as well.
Yeah,
Plus
yeah.
a few boards.
Yeah,
right.
we could break boards. That's okay.
Yeah.
But that's a good thing, Aaron. I mean, our wave is going to be unique.
Yeah.
It's going to jack up real big.
Yeah.
It's going to taper off perfectly. So it's just a different wave that we've got.
Yeah.
But we haven't got one different wave. We've got 4, or actually 8.
Yeah, that's true.
Being
Left and right.
Left and right.
Yeah.
We've got a lot more variety, and I'm just excited because there's just that big initial big peak. How big's it going to be?
That's right. Yeah.
Well, it'll be at least 3 metres coming at you.
Well, I know, and I'm going to backdoor that thing and get completely barreled, take my hard hat off and say thank you very much.